Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Rex Cube. This is the Landline Rex Cube, and I'm also going to be doing a disassembly tutorial on it. So, at first, when I first got it for Christmas, I opened it up. It was from iCube Mart, I believe, and turning was just great. I mean, I was really surprised on how good it was, actually. And then, after a little bit of breaking in, I lubricated it. And then I didn't turn it enough right after I lubricated it, so one of the sides kind of glued shut. So that kind of made me mad, but I popped it open with a screwdriver, and now it's just fine again. And the turning, like I said, it's really good. I was really surprised, and I kind of like the loud turning puzzles. Just, I don't know why. I don't know. It's kind of loose. But it doesn't really pop. I mean, that's, you know, pretty much all I have to say about it, but, alright, I'm gonna just start disassembling it. I don't really have anything else to say. So you just kind of turn these and pop these pieces out. They come out really easily. I don't think I'm gonna take apart these edges, because sometimes they're kind of a pain to put back in, but it is possible. If you want to do it, you can. You kind of just have to like slide them back in place. I'm just not gonna do that right now. Alright, so as you can see, that's what it looks like. If you want, when you're at this point, you can lubricate it, but just don't make the same mistake that I did, because it might be a little bit of a pain to fix. Make sure you turn it a lot right after you lubricate it, if you lubricate it with silicone. But yeah, I'm just gonna start putting it back together. Putting it back together is a little bit more complicated, but it's still really easy. So I'm just gonna organize the pieces really quick. Alright, so start with any side. Just kind of put the pieces back in. But the weird thing about it is you should put 2 of these pedals in, the 2 opposite side pedals, like that, and then pop the center in, like that, and then put the other pedals in. Just find that's the easiest way, and just move on. Like I said, really easy, but if you want to do a thorough lubrication on it, which is necessary sometimes, then you have it. Alright, just 2 more sides to go. Orange and blue. I'll do orange first. Alright, there you go. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like, comment, send me suggestions of other things that you would like, and I will send them into consideration. We appreciate subscribers, comments, likes. We appreciate your feedback. So, until next time, see you later.